Hi everyone, welcome to another example of conditional probability. And here it says that a life insurance company issues standard, preferred, and ultra preferred policies and give the details about it. And it says that at the end, it says a policy holder of that age dies in the next year. What are the conditional probabilities of the deceased having had a standard, a preferred, and an ultra preferred policy? So first we need to do is we need to find the probability of dying. The probability of dying is equal to the probability of everything. So it's going to be the probability of having a standard times the probability of dying given you have a standard policy plus plus the probability that you have a preferred policy times the probability that you die given you have the preferred policy plus the probability that you have the ultra preferred policy times the probability that you die given you have the ultra preferred policy. And that would equal to 0.6 times 0.01 plus 0.3 times 0.008 plus 0.1 times 0.007, and that would equal to 0.0091. This is the probability of dying, whether you have any of these. Now, the probability that you die given you had a standard, so the probability of having a standard given that you died would be equal to the probability that you have the standard times the probability that you died given you had the standard over the probability that you died. And the probability that you died, the probability that you had the preferred given that you died would be the probability that you have the preferred times the probability that you died given you had the preferred policy over the probability that you died. And the probability that you had the ultra given that you died would be the probability that you had the ultra policy times the probability that you died given you had the ultra time over probability that you died. So now the probability that the probability that you had the standard times this, which is the die given you had standard, is 0.06 times 0.01 over 0.0091. That would be equal to 0.659. The probability that you had the preferred times probability that you had died given you had the preferred over you died is only equal to 0.264. And the last one would be 0.0769. What we did here was, I put this part in red. How did we get these numbers? What we did, we took each of these numbers and this is what's right here, divided by the total, which is PD, which is this. So each one of them, that's why we have to find a total, and then divide each separately by the total. So that's how we came up with the numbers of 0.659, 0.264, and 0.0769. So this is actually really interesting, and it's not bad. It's not too hard, and well, it wasn't actually really easy, but you have to figure out some of the things first. So what you've learned in this one is sometimes you have to find the probability that everything's going to happen, and then find each separately from the total that you got. So this is what it is. So if you like it, please thumbs up and thumbs down if you don't. If you understand or don't, please comment. Other than that, that's it for today. Have a great day.